Come with me and explore the wonderful art of botanical printing. In today's video, Ecoprinted Easter eggs. For this project, we are going to start by cleaning the eggshells. I gently crack the bottom using a spoon and carefully make a small hole. Then, pour the egg out into a bowl. Don't waste it, we'll save it for a delicious omelette later. Once they're all done, rinse the eggshells thoroughly with water and let them dry completely. Now it's time to decorate. Collect some fresh leaves. Personally, I find that thinner leaves give better prints. Feel free to explore what's growing around you, but remember to cut only what you need and always harvest respectfully. Place your chosen leaf on the egg and grab it tightly in a nylon stocking. 4 hands are better than 2, so if you have someone around, this part is even more fun with a helper. Secure the ends with a string or a twist tied to keep everything in place. For our dyes, I'm using blueberry, turmeric, and madder root. These are just suggestions. You can absolutely explore with other plants and spices. I left some ideas and the measurements in the description below. Add 1 spoon of white vinegar to each dye to help the colors bind to the shell. Bring the dye vats to a gentle boil and carefully lower in your grabbed eggs. Let them simmer for about 15 minutes. After boiling, place the eggs still grabbed into containers with the dye water and let them sit overnight. This step deepens the color and enhances the botanical prints. The next day, carefully unwrap the nylon and reveal your eco-printed eggs. Unwrap, rinse, and gently dry your eggs. Each one holds a little story from the plants you use, natural, delicate, and one of a kind. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, or share it with someone who loves crafting with nature. Happy Easter!